again to my channel. So I'm here again with a new video, so enjoy. The ulam is yummy.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Delicious. Chef's kiss.
Chef's kiss.
Chef's kiss.
Taking it slow, won't work in time. It's only so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing. Sometimes I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this Christmas. And let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year, I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about is realized. Me walking barefoot in the San Diego snow.
Let's eat. Thanks, bro.
I wanna make you feel something familiar. I wanna celebrate you. God did his thing with you. Don't be a stranger, be my day. Without you, this ain't a holiday. So let me be your family this Christmas. Be your family. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year, I promise I'm yours.
So this time guys, I'll prep my skin because we will be going to mass this 7 p.m. So of course, first I wash my face with my Cetaphil cleanser and applied toner all over my face and neck. We put clips muna dito sa hair natin. So the next thing after using toner is I will use this Skin Refiner Moisture. Smells so good. So after that, I will just let it dry. So today, pupunta tayo sa church, which is the church there nearby. Tomorrow is the feast of the Immaculate Conception. They will have a mass tonight at, I think, starts at 7. So yes, let's go. Attend ng mass. I really don't have a set skincare routine because I really have quite a few products that I know work for my skin and I like it when I use them on and off basis. So yeah. So when I put foundation, I usually use my bare hands. Of course, clean bare hands. I don't use brush or so that's it. I'll just use a pea size, and I think that is enough for my face, whole face, because I will put powder din naman and I don't want it to make super white face. So this is the time only that I use foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. So after that, eyeliner. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin mapa-perfect ang paglagay ng eyeliner. Ano yan? Gabi naman. So that's it. So simple. I will be using my Bulgari perfume. So smells so good. So okay, we are now here at the church. So their Christmas tree is so nice and colorful. The mass has ended and we are now home. So okay, I changed my clothes into my sleepwear. So later on, I will wash my face and then go to bed. So at this time, I am waiting for my little boy to eat. So yes. So here is he eating. That is fried sliced chicken breast. We fry it. So yeah, he's eating while I'm waiting. So hey, it's already 6 a.m. and I decided to just work out since I did not work out for almost a month. Then I can see changes and I think I'm getting fatter again. I gained I don't know exactly. So yeah, I decided to work out for at least 20 to 30 minutes doing basic weight lifts and exercises, stretching and whatsoever. So that's it. So he is still using this cream for almost 3 weeks, so there's still a lot inside. So when you open, it looks like this. That one. So of course, if you have skincare for adults, kids should have too, if you want to take good care of their skin. So like that. This is what it looks like. It's a thin cream, and I'm gonna get pea size of it, and then apply it on his face like that, just like that. Like that. Since Niall has that, look at this, bumpy, I don't know what to call this exactly. So there. So since I applied this cream on his face, that bumps lessened, and I think his face is moisturized, and that is why some of the bumps are gone. That's it. So that is all for today's video, everyone. So please subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already, and I appreciate all your support and subscription. So it is free to subscribe down below. Just click on that red button and the bell button for you to be notified whenever I upload a new one. So thank you very much, guys, and see you on my next one. Bye.